Welcome back, viewers. From today's video onwards, we are going to check out a new Linux distribution. Name of the Linux distribution is FunOS. This is the web page funos.org, and it is a minimal, fast, secure Linux distribution built on Ubuntu LTS. It has got a minimal design and it gets all the essential tools without the unnecessary bloat that is available in Ubuntu. So all the unnecessary bloat in the Ubuntu has been removed and the system is now very minimal. It uses the JWM window manager and it is designed to run efficiently on low resource machines. It gets stability and security of the Ubuntu LTS with the speed of minimal OS. This is how the JWM desktop of FunOS looks like. And it comes without the snap, includes the latest Ubuntu HWE kernel, perfect for users who want a fast and minimal Linux experience without sacrificing stability. And here you can see the latest release is the FunOS 25.04 based on the Ubuntu LTS, and these are some documentation. You can watch this. You can install FreeTube on FunOS, how to install Basilisk on FunOS, how to install LibrePCB on FunOS, and different kinds of documentation is there. You can check this out. There are some quick links here at the bottom, and you can also contact the FunOS team using this email, that is admin@funos.org. Now let us learn more about the FunOS. So it is based on Ubuntu LTS. This provides users with a robust and enduring platform for various computing needs, and it receives regular updates and security patches for the extended period. So as long as the Ubuntu LTS version is getting support by the Ubuntu team, you be assured that FunOS will also get the same support. So since the Ubuntu is upstream of FunOS, FunOS gets all the benefits of the Ubuntu security patches and updates. JWM is a lightweight and efficient window manager, perfect for older hardware and systems with limited resources. Its simplicity and ease of configuration allow users to tailor their desktop environment to meet their needs, delivering fast performance and low resource usage. So this is a major feature of FunOS, which uses the JWM window manager. We have seen the JWM window manager in NTX, also in some other Linux distribution also. It's very lightweight and very efficient, and you can use this to make your system very fast. And also on the older systems, you can use JWM and make them useful. FunOS includes the Ubuntu hardware enablement kernel, which enhances hardware compatibility and performance. This ensures that FunOS can run smoothly on the latest devices, providing extended support for the new hardware with the updated kernel features and security improvements. It is snap free, so it comes without the snap, ensuring fast application startup times, reduced disk space usage, and more control over the software updates. By avoiding snap, FunOS maintains a lean, responsive system for users who value speed and efficiency. Minimalistic design. FunOS is a minimal Linux distribution offering only essential components and services such as file manager, text editor, terminal, image viewer, music and video player, calculator, web browser, and document viewer. The lightweight design helps to reduce the resource consumption and boost performance, making it ideal for both older and modern systems. So FunOS uses just 232 to 250 MB of RAM while idle, providing a fast and responsive user experience even on systems with limited resources. The installer file of FunOS is just around 1.8 GB, making it easy for download and install on variety of systems. It uses the Ubiquiti installer, making the installation process quick and user-friendly. It supports both BIOS, legacy, and the UEFI-based systems and can be installed on PCs or laptops with 64-bit AMD 64 architecture. FunOS also supports secure boot, enabling the system security or enhancing the system security. So why to choose FunOS? Performance, because it is lightweight design and it overruns on older hardware also, and it is an efficient system which does not sacrifice speed. Stability. So FunOS is built for long-term stability and consistent updates, and it is based on the LTS releases of Ubuntu, and it makes it a very dependable option for daily use and professional needs. customability. So FunOS allows users to customize their environment from the desktop with JWM to software they install. Its minimalistic design gives users the freedom to configure their system exactly the way they want it. Security with minimal design and latest hardware kernel updates, that is the HWE kernel updates, FunOS offers enhanced security while reducing the attack surface, making it safe platform for all users. Simplicity. FunOS avoids unnecessary bloat and complexity, providing clean and straightforward user experience. By focusing on essential functionality, FunOS ensures users remain in the control of their system. So this is it. This is for the FunOS, everything that is available on the net. This is all about the introduction of FunOS, and in the next video we are going to do the installation of the FunOS ISO, and this is the place where you can download. So there are two ISOs to download. One is based on the Plucky Puffin. This is the FunOS 25.04. Then you got another version that is 2410 with Calamars installers. This is Oracle Oriole, based on Oracle Oriole. Then there is also ISO FunOS 24.10. This is the older one. That also you can download it and install on your system. Then there is the LTS release. So these are the rolling releases of Ubuntu. So rolling releases of Ubuntu are used to base the rolling release of FunOS. So you can try this out. This will have the latest features and latest we can say drivers and everything. So you can try this out. It will be little unstable because it is a rolling type of release, but you can go with the older ones. So the older one contains the Noble Numbat, that is the last LTS version. Last LTS version, you can see it here. So you can download this. This is the point releases are also available here. So different ISOs are available. Then Jammy Jellyfish is also there. You can try this. This is last to last LTS. So this is old LTS, that is also available, but you should not install this. Maybe the support is still available for this, or it is about to end, but 24.04 the support continues. You can use the Noble Numbat also right now. For some years it will continue. Jammy Jellyfish, I think it is going to maybe stop now. It is high time now. You should not use this. Best is to use this, that is the FunOS 25.04. This is Plucky Puffin. This is the latest LTS release, and this Oracle Oriole, and these are the rolling releases or the midterm releases from Ubuntu that can be used if you want to check out the latest features that are released in Ubuntu. We can say Ubuntu ecosystem. So this comes with the latest releases that you can use, and these are the point releases for the same. So older point release. So you should stick either with this Noble Numbat or you should go with the Plucky Puffin. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we will download. We will not download. We will install the FunOS ISO in a virtual machine, and in the next video, we will check out the JWM desktop of FunOS, and we will check out all the features, all the themes, wallpapers that are available in FunOS. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.